orange juice. I don't drink coffee.
You're so funny.
Yes, I do. Mia.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Everybody has me. Hey, now I can just use my glasses. But at least the glasses are not as imposing as the camera.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's so funny. You're so funny, Dion. Yeah. Oh, Nat. See, Nat knew. Nat. Oh, I love Nat. Nat keeps up with the trends. She is definitely the baby sister. We got the baby sister and the kid sister. Yes. Good morning, cousins. Okay. Yeah, I got the goo. So now when we walk, Nat, I can just turn the glasses on. I don't have to use my phone.
It doesn't feel like we can walk anywhere right now.
Oh, get on that bus. Can we get on the bus?
Figure out how to drive.
Louis, do you have a CDL license?
I guess we'll work on that one for the next trip.
Yeah.
I drove a 63-foot long helicopter.
I think you can definitely drive that.
Here's my guess. If not, I can push things out of the way.
Yep. Your cousin's trip on a bus. That's what we need to do. We need to get on a bus and go to Atlanta. That would be so much fun.
Catch a bus or Atlanta?
Yep. We can charter. Ooh, a train.
Can we take one to Atlanta?
I don't know to Atlanta, but I know if this train goes somewhere.
Yeah, let's look into that.
Make sure
Yes.
they come out of here, go around, I think, up to Colorado, and they
Okay.
go around the U.S. or something.
Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that
Now
next.
you said a train. There's a train.
Yeah.
They have one coming, I think, out of Austin, probably. Do they have one out of
One out of Houston.
Are they expensive?
That I never tried.
I'm on it.
All right.
All right, yeah, this is our planner. This is our human planner. We don't even need AI anymore because we have the human
No, we
planner.
don't need, no, we don't need AI. Our own AI. So is everybody good with the train ride?
Yeah.
You don't forget our Greece and Hawaii.
Oh yeah. Well, that'll come.
I think, yeah, because I think we should do Hawaii in 2027. What do y'all think about that?
When are you going to Hawaii?
Just when I have to go in
Do
2027.
you know what month you're going?
It will be, it's a conference that we have every other year. I can check. It's probably going to be June or July. I can let y'all know. That way, it'll help me financially. You know, I'm single
Greece
now. I
is
have
like
to.
a 2026 project.
Yeah, so then we can do Greece 2026, Sicily and Greece. We can just we flip flopping it.
You'll be with your friends.
Well, I said we can combine it. Aggie Angels and the first cousins. Nat and Kim know my friends, and Keith. Keith knows my friend. You know all of them. I think we would all have fun together. Now,
YMCA in Killeen, and they give out food every week to soldiers and veterans.
okay,
It's like a little grocery store.
okay.
It's like they got canned goods
Oh, okay.
from Meals on Wheels.
Let me ask them if we
If
could
they
just
take
bring
canned goods, because they might prefer money. I bet.
No, I heard it was last week they were talking about, it was at a zoo, but I can't remember where it was.
Near your
But I
lights
want to
are
say it
on.
was
Okay.
Atlanta or something, you know, the people,
She
people
knows.
were up there looking at it, and it went wild in it, but it broke the first layer because they were saying people, you know, it was okay that nobody would have been hurt because they just cracked the first layer.
Oh, and then there's. Did y'all see the video that I sent y'all?
I didn't get to look at it yet.
I added you to the group.
I didn't go to check my phone.
Maybe let's see. Maybe it didn't go through.
Yes,
I renamed the group First Cousins Travel Group, and then I shared this.
Yes.
You saw it, Keith? But it
I looked at the video.
it just has a song. It doesn't have our. So later on, I'll do the actual video. Yeah, but it's not us talking. It's just a song. I mean, it has a song, music. But later on, I'll do that. Yeah, let's go there. Is it free?
Yeah, I see a 10 years.
Listen, he's home.
Did you tell him that, Keith?
No, we was in a car. We saw him crossing the street.
Oh,
He
okay.
was in there too.
Cool.
I said, man, get that out your nose.
He was on a mission.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's trying to clear that.
Snow said, he just hungry.
That's all. All right, cousins.
Hello.
Kim, you head up.
Hey there.
We in the
Keith?
party bus.
Right?
Navigators got us covered.
Yes.
People running along.
Human navigators are in the front.
Guess the light ain't working.
I wonder how long it's been like.
I think it is. It's not working. Oh, they got green light. Well, I don't know what's going on. That's kind of weird. We're gonna be taking this off.
Keep right. Hey, Paul, when we get back, I want you to show me how, like, you know, you put the directions on the truck, whether I'm going west, north, east, south, and west. I'll talk to you later. Is it right? Yeah, you did it.
Positive reinforcement.
You can actually hold it? Oh, I think, do you know the combination?